This is the Cruz edition.
This is the chain, right?
All this is chain rule.
Okay, first. This is the inside. Inside versus. Then you have to find the where you practice put it like this first. That should be. Okay, that's not nice. Don't be telling people they're slow. What is that? I don't tell you you're slow and you ask me another question. Do I?
In about a minute, I'll start it. So get a 1 minute head start.
You just want us to simplify
That one,
one half
yeah.
times steady.
-3/2.
Yes.
Okay, don't look up. I'm just gonna start it. Do you want me to not say it out loud with the steps I'm doing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Almost done. 12x. Okay, I'm done. Go.
All right, I'm taking a derivative. I'm gonna say out loud what the steps I'm doing. The derivative of sine is cosine. It still says negative, so -3 cosine square root of 6 plus 6x squared, close it. And now I gotta take the derivative of the inside. So here it is. I made a little note of what the inside is. So I'm gonna go times, bring the half to the front, leave that inside alone. 6 plus 6x squared, close it to the -1/2, times, now I gotta do the derivative of that inside, 12x. Does that make sense? Okay, so here I am. I'm going to make it pretty. Let's see. I have a half of 12. Half of 12 is 6. And 6 times 3 is 18. So I'll put a -18. X cosine, parentheses, square root of 6 plus 6x squared, close it. I don't see any issues right now. Divided by, that says a -1/2. So when I bring it down, square root of 6 plus 6x squared. I don't see any issues. I think we're correct. Half of 12 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. There it is, guys. There's number 1. Do you see how we did it, guys? Yeah, you might, if it doesn't make sense, just, you might figure it out by the time we do the 5th one. But if it doesn't, go watch the first one. You know what I mean? How do we feel? All right. Right here. You see it says half of 12. Half of 12 is 6. You talking about the first time I get 6? And then 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, you see that half? If you do it like that, it's going to think that you're doing the square root of sine. So put a giant bracket or giant parenthesis like that. You know what I mean? Boom. 3/2. Cosine. Okay, see? And the inside should still be a square root. You know what I mean? You see? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But come there's more space. I don't want to be. Let me lower this. I got you, Anderson. Because I aim for quality education. So when I give you the survey at the end of the year, you're going to say you got quality education. Right. So you take care of the outside. This is on the inside. So that's on the inside. So -3, the derivative of sine is. And the inside. And now, so see, do that on the little side on the side. And then now I'm going to take the derivative of this. No, that is this. Do you agree?
Yes.
So look, see the half goes to the front. Leave that inside alone. And then I subtract 1 from that. -1/2. And then I do the inside again, times 12x. See? And then from there, I guess I'm missing a parenthesis right here, but that's fine. Half of 12x is 6x, and 6x times 3 is -18x. Cosine, this is in the numerator. You see that -1/2? Boop, bring it down.
Okay, on the test, we will have the answer numbers to be answered.
You can probably, I'll probably take this. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? All right, guys, don't worry. Take a head start on example 2. In about a minute, I'll go ahead and start it. So let's see. Make sure to put y prime. 18 times 4, 46. What's 18 times 4?
18 times 4
Oh,
is
18 times half is 9. 9 times 4, 36. Yes.
And then would it be x squared?
Yes. You did it right. You did it right. You did it right, Houston. Good job, miss. Future engineer right there. See, it's because you're locked in, miss. You're locked in. You're unplugged and you're just like focused. You okay with a vaso? You okay, Miss Cruz? You got it right? Oh, yeah? You must be a boss.
Yeah, I know how to do it. It's just I confuse myself.
Yeah, don't confuse yourself. Here we go, guys. Y prime equals, the derivative of sine is cosine, so 4 cos parenthesis square root of 6x cubed plus 1, close it. If you want to make a note, the square root of 6x cubed plus 1 is the same thing as 6x cubed plus 1 to the 1/2. Make a note somewhere like that. So here we go. Times the derivative of the inside, 1/2 parenthesis 6x cubed plus 1, close it to the what power? Negative 1/2 times the derivative of 6x cubed, which is? Close, close. Do you see what we did? Okay. What is half of 18? 9. And 9 times 4? So there it is. 36x squared, because of that x squared right there. Cosine of square root of 6x cubed plus 1, close, all over the square root of 6x cubed plus 1. How are we feeling, guys? Okay. Let's go to the next one. Yes.
Why is the 18x squared in the same parentheses as like the back?
You don't need to. It's all, you could just do it like that. All right. How do we feel, guys? Yeah, take a 1-minute head start on example 3. What's going on, De Leon? No, she wants to be in my class, right?
I'm tired.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Make sure we're unplugged for this, miss. Because I want you to get a 5. And be happy. Sorry.
Or never mind. Wait, this one? Was the 4 go before the cosine? Or would it go here?
Yeah, well, let's rewrite it first. That 4, actually, no, that 4 is just for the argument. So cosine, that stays together with the 4.
Right, because I don't have any.
Yeah, the argument, you leave it alone. And now times, and then you do the whole 4. Yeah, you got it. We're in example 3. Bless you. Bless you.
Thank you.
If you see the power 4 right after the n, that means that the whole thing is raised to the 4th power. Yay or nay? Okay, once you're super beast, you don't have to do this. You can just look at it and do it. But here we go. Derivative. Outside, 4, leave the inside alone. Sine to the 4x cubed plus 6. What power? Cubed. And now I take the derivative of the inside. What's the derivative of sine? Cosine. Leave that argument alone. 4x cubed plus 6. And now times the derivative of that inside, which is 12x squared. Rewriting it, if it says leave it in any form, then you can leave it like that. But rewriting it, 12 times 4.
Oh, because like
No, go ahead.
So the 4 and the sine are like two different values. They don't really have anything to do with each other, so we have to keep the sine first.
Yes, well, because the sign is inside. Do you see the sign in the inside? Yeah. 48x squared. Let me make sure I'm not making any mistakes. Yeah, we're good. And then you can go, if you want, you can go sine to the third. 4x cubed plus 6, close, cosine 4x cubed plus 6. There's actually a double angle rule that you could probably use, but it's not going to really help if I'm being honest. And there it is, guys. How do we feel? Example 4, do you guys want to take a 1 minute lead? Okay. Take a 1 minute lead.
What else did Michael say about me? What else did Michael say about me? I miss her. I miss being her to go fuck her up. I got the magic johnstick together. You know. I'm actually so excited about it. I think it's so funny.
Bro, you posted that, didn't you?
No, I didn't. I'm not that right now. I have.
Alright, guys, I'm going to start it just in case. Here we go. Derivative. I'm actually not a big fan of these brackets that Delta does, but that's fine. What's the derivative of sine? Cosine. And I'm going to do a giant parenthesis. So look, this in blue is like that bracket there. I just don't like brackets. So cosine, and then what do I have on the inside? 1 minus 2x squared, close to the 4th power. Close that bracket. So there it is. That's the derivative of sine. Do you guys see that? Now I'm going to do the derivative of the inside. So when I take the derivative of the inside, what do I write first? 4 parenthesis 1 minus 2x squared, close it to what power? 3. And if you want to close it right here, that's fine. Open. What's the derivative of that inside? Negative 4x. You can leave it like that if it says to leave it, but I would simplify it if you get a chance to simplify. F prime of x equals, let's see, I see a negative 4x. I see a 4, so I see a negative 16x. Do you guys see that? And then I see cosine, giant parenthesis, 1 minus 2x squared, close to the 4th power, and close this blue one there. And then what am I missing? Just 1 minus 2x squared to the 3rd? 1 minus 2x squared, close it to the 3rd. There it is. Do you guys see the difference? Henderson, you see the difference between this one and the first one? Okay. All right, here we go, guys. Question 5. Do you guys want me to continue with the pattern? Give you guys a 1 minute head start? Okay. You can leave it. Bless you, bless you, bless you squared, bless you cubed, bless you 4th power, bless you 5th, bless you 6th, bless you 7th, the holy number. Oh, you said that 6.
Huh?
That's not a holy number. Huh? Number 5. All right, here we go, guys. Y prime, or dy dx, equals, what's the derivative of cosine? Negative sine. So negative times a negative is a? So I'm going to write 3 sine giant bracket instead of giant parenthesis instead of a bracket. Bless you. And I'm gonna write 2x cubed plus 2 close to the power 3. Close this. Am I done? No. Times the derivative of the inside. What do I write? 3, 2. Perfect. Times. Perfect. I would simplify it, but if you want to leave it like that, that's fine. But practice your algebra, practice arithmetic. Let's see. I see a 6 times 3 as the numerator. What's 6 times 3? And I see an 18 times 3 again. What's that? So 54. 54x squared. Good job. Thank you. Sine of this. Sine of 2x cubed plus 2 to the third power. Okay, let me close it. I didn't get the color blue here. All right. And then what do I have left? Just a 2x cubed plus 2 squared?
Yes.
2x cubed plus 2 squared.
I'm sorry. I forgot that you're looking.
Cool or not cool, guys? All right, we're almost done. We're almost done. You guys want to take a 1 minute head start for this one? That one is similar to example 3.
I don't know what we have to do too.
Because that's sine to the 4th power, so you have sine inside. When you rewrite it, do you know what I mean? So rewrite. Two giant parenthesis. That's what it means right there. You want to do this one for us, Houston?
Sure.
Or do you have your marker, your pencil? Or here, you can use mine.
On there?
Yeah. Houston's going to lead us. Okay, explain what you're doing.
So first I multiply the 4 and 2, right?
Okay.
So then it's 8.
First write F prime, right?
Oh, my bad. F prime equals F prime of x, right?
Yeah, that's fine. But I would have understood what you meant. Okay.
Okay. Equals 8 because we multiply 2 and 4. Sine of x cubed. Right?
Yep. What power?
Oh, to the third.
Okay.
And
now
the-
what?
And then we're gonna do cosine, right?
Yeah, write cosine.
Because when you find the derivative of sine,
Perfect.
so it's cosine of x cubed,
Perfect.
right?
Yep.
Okay. And then we find the derivative of x cubed,
Which is?
x squared. I don't.
3x.
No, 3x.
3x squared. Yeah, Mia. No, I'm
I
just
said
kidding.
3x squared. You're the one
Good
who
job.
wrote x squared.
Okay.
Good job, miss. I love it. The only thing that I would not that I would, but if this were the AP exam, this would be full credit. Make the 3's look like an exponent, you know? Because they look kind of big.
And then would we simplify that?
I would, but if they don't tell you to simplify, you could just leave it, but I would. So what is 8 times 3? So 24x squared, and then this is sine cubed, so I'm going to write sine cubed of x cubed cosine of x cubed. And I guess you could also reduce it if you wanted to, but I wouldn't. It's not worth it because this one's cubed. The sine's cubed. There is a half angle formula for sine theta, cosine theta, but we're not going to. Do you guys have your practice, your mock exams from 2008 by chance?
I never got one.
No? Okay. Okay, bring it tomorrow, guys, if you have one. Your 2008 exam? It was a Yeah, bring it tomorrow. All right. Take a minute head start for example 7. Miss Cruz, maybe you can do this one for us. I wasn't trying to be funny there. Okay, Henderson will do it. I want you to be happy, miss. Are you happy to be here?
Yeah.
Because in the morning you came in like, ah. All right, Henderson, show us. Show us the way.
So first,
Okay.
equals, you take the derivative of cosine, so then it's 2 sine, because it's negative, so negative times negative.
Oh, wait,
positive.
yeah.
You got it.
And then you leave the inside alone. And then you take the
Put
derivative,
another parenthesis just in case, right? Yeah, perfect. Yay, thank you.
and then you take the derivative of the inside, so the 3 comes down to the front. Leave the inside alone.
Perfect.
And then now you take the derivative of the last inside. 3.
You got it. You want to simplify it for us, or you want to leave it like that?
Yeah.
Okay, leave it like that. Thank you. But you could have simplified it more, right, if you wanted to?
Yes.
There's a 2 right here, there's a 3 right here, and there's another 3 right there. 2 times 3 times 3. So this could have been written as 18 sine what power? Oh no, that's just sine. Sine giant parenthesis, then 3x plus 1 to the 3rd power. Close the giant parenthesis, and the only missing is the 3x plus 1 squared, right? 3x plus 1 squared. We okay? Yeah. All right, this one I'm going to do. We're just going to get started with this one, guys. This is that next section. You only tried like one of them, and this is the only one you tried. So it says in any form. So notice on this one, when you take the derivative of the inside, what rule you're going to have to do? Quotient. So here we go. H prime of x equals the outside. What's the derivative of cosine? Negative sign. So write negative sign and leave the inside alone. 3x plus 1 over 5 minus 5x cubed times derivative of the inside. And we have to do quotient rule. What do I start with first? Bottom. So use parentheses on everything. 5 minus 5x cubed times, no, not 3x plus 1, times 3. The derivative of the top, right? Minus top 3x plus 1 times derivative of the, which is? All this is over what?
5 minus 5x cubed squared.
And do I have to do anything? No, it says in any form. You can leave it like that. Unless you want to make life harder for yourselves. I don't know. Maybe some of you like making life hard. But play life on easy mode. So just leave it like that. Cool or not cool? Okay. All right. So here it is, guys. You're now ready for the UH quizzes. You just need more practice. UH quiz derivative is 1. That's just product and quotient rule. And then UH quiz derivative is 2. That's the chain rule. And there it is, guys. It's due by this coming Monday. And make sure you make an attempt on quiz 1 and take care of the deltas. And we're done. We only took 20 minutes of class. Well, a little more because we waited a little longer. But yeah. All right. We're done, guys.